Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, confident, and ready to conquer your goals. What if I told you that the secret to this incredible feeling lies in the small, consistent actions you take every single day? Welcome to the world of building good habits, and good morning, everyone. Let's now walk on the journey that can transform our life in ways that you can never imagine. Success isn't built overnight. It's crafted through the small, consistent habits that shape, our daily lives. So from the moment we wake up to the we wake up, you know, to the time we go to bed, our habits define who we are and who we'll become. From athletes to entrepreneurs, the most successful people in the world swear by one thing: their daily routines. These routines built on good habits are the backbone of their success. So think about this. How often do you hear about a successful person who doesn't have a consistent routine? Rarely, if ever, meron man. But definitely, successful people that we know today or from history from the past has a proven record, it's a proven track record of good habits. Okay. So how are we going to do that? Consistency is the key. When you build good habits, you are laying the foundation for long-term success. Whether it's exercising regularly, eating healthily, or setting aside time for personal development, taking the necessary action steps, no matter how small it is for your goals, these small actions add up over time and lead to significant results. It's not always easy. There will be challenges, moments of doubt, and days when you just don't feel like it. But every time you overcome these obstacles, you get stronger and closer to your goals. Remember, it's the difficult days that build character and resilience. So it's actually inevitable for us to avoid challenges, to avoid trials in life. It's always part of the process. And we actually should think those times that we are actually being tested, because it's also the time that we are actually building more, you know, of ourselves. We are actually discovering more potential that we can actually do things better than who we are right now. And we become more resilient. We discover, a lot of things that we can actually do because of those trials. And we can only have that if we're actually consistently building good habits. So the benefits are actually endless when you actually build good habits. You can have better health, increased productivity, and a happier, more fulfilling life. No? So when you actually make good habits as a part of your daily routine, it becomes part of your lifestyle. You create a positive feedback loop that reinforces your efforts and keeps you motivated. So, what are the steps to actually start the day? Ito lang yan. You just have to start small. Write down your goals. When you say write down your goals, I'll be talking about this on another video. But when you say writing down your goals, you have to be specific. Ano pa talagang gusto mo? No? Kung gusto mong kumita ng pera, how much money would you want? Kung gusto mong maging ganito, paano mo ano yung specific na gusto mo talaga, hindi lang gusto ko yumaman. Dapat maging specific ka. Gusto kong bumili ng bahay, maging specific ka anong klaseng bahay, 'no? You have to write it down, and from writing it down, you have to create a plan for it. What's your plan to actually get that goal, 'no? And another pro tip, find your accountability buddies, 'no, to actually do that or help you actually achieve that. When I say accountability buddies, okay, with your accountability buddies, I'll do this. No, if I will, hindi ko to magawa. No, I'll pay you something like that. Or please help me fulfill my goals. No, ikaw yung magbantay sa akin. Ako rin magbabantay sa iyo. And life will actually make it easier for you to actually fulfill or to your job. For me, I have my own accountability group. I have my accountability buddies. And from time to time, we actually do that. No, right now, actually, we have like that challenge that we have to fulfill something, personal goals that we have, and we are accountable to the group. Mas nagiging energetic, mas nagkakaroon ng, traction yung ginagawa natin. And of course, walang best way to actually fulfill your goals by none other than taking action. Dapat yung goals tsaka yung plan, hindi lang siya goals and plans. You have to take action for it. So remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So focus on building one good habit at a time, and gradually you'll create a lifestyle that supports your dreams and aspirations. So don't wait for tomorrow. Wag mo nang hintayin dumating yung ready ka na. Wag mo nang hintayin na pumuti yung uwak. No, start building the habits today that will shape your future. Your best life is just one habit away. One good habit away, no? Take that first step, stay consistent, and watch as your life transforms in ways you can never imagine. So, yun lang naman. Happy Monday, everyone, and have a great week ahead of you. Bye bye.